In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from a logo in Photopea. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is have a logo in here that has a background you'd like to remove. You then click on the layer and then go down here where it says the magic wand tool. Okay, if you right click on it, you have the magic wand tool. Now you click on this and you just simply press on the background, and as you can see the background has been selected and the logo is out of the selection, and then you just press delete, and as you can see the logo has been cut out. Now a different option, in case your background is a bit trickier, is the magnetic lasso tool. Now you can also use the lasso tool, but with the lasso tool you have to be very precise with your selection and you have to drag the mouse along the way. So what I would suggest doing is use the magnetic lasso tool, where it automatically detects an edge and makes a selection based on that. So you click somewhere to start and then just drag it along. As you can see, I'm dragging it, and once I come to the end, I simply press enter. So I've come here and I press enter, and as you can see the selection has been made. And now what you can do is go into select and inverse, so it selects the background, and then click on delete, and as you can see, yet again the background has been deleted. Now those are the easiest two options to delete a background in Photopea.